Are you struggling to find a single kitchen appliance that can cook, roast, and pressure cook your meals? Well, I've got some great news for you. But here's what surprised me when I tried out the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo on Amazon. It not only exceeded my expectations, but also changed the way I think about cooking. For the best price, click the link in the description. But let me ask you this. Have you ever found yourself stuck with a kitchen full of gadgets and gizmos that promise to do everything but actually fail to deliver? Therefore, when I stumbled upon the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo, I was skeptical at first. Could it really be the one appliance that would simplify my cooking routine? Now, let's take a closer look at what this product has to offer. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is a pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, and dehydrator all in one. Therefore, if you're like me and hate cluttering your kitchen with separate appliances, this might be the perfect solution for you. But before we dive deeper into its features, let's talk about what sets it apart from other multi-cookers on the market. Therefore, I've compiled a list of its key benefits: 75% faster cooking time than traditional methods, up to 400 degrees F temperature control, includes a 5-quart capacity pot and a 4-quart air fryer basket, 14 preset programs for effortless cooking. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's talk about what really impressed me about this product. Its ability to cook food evenly and consistently. But what I found most surprising was how easy it is to use. Even my non-cooking friends were able to whip up a mean meal in no time. Therefore, if you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can keep up with your busy lifestyle, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo might be just what you need. But don't take my word for it. Let's take a closer look at its performance and see how it stacks up against other similar products on the market. In this review, we'll be covering everything from its build quality to its cooking results. Therefore, if you're eager to learn more about this product, keep reading. I promise you won't be disappointed. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is made with high-quality materials that are both durable and easy to clean. But what really caught my attention was the intuitive interface and user-friendly design. Even a beginner can navigate it with ease. Therefore, let's talk about some of the key features that make this product stand out from the competition. The air fryer basket is large enough to cook up to 3 pounds of food at once. The pressure cooker function allows for quick and easy meal prep. The slow cooker mode ensures that your meals are cooked to perfection every time. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room. The price. But here's the thing, when you consider all the money you'll save by not having to purchase separate appliances, it quickly adds up. Therefore, if you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can do it all without breaking the bank, the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it, let's take a look at some of the pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Pros: versatile design, easy to use, high-quality materials, excellent cooking results. Cons: some users have reported issues with the air fryer function. The pressure cooker function can be a bit loud. But don't let these minor drawbacks scare you off. The Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo is still an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen arsenal. Therefore, if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level and simplify your kitchen routine, I highly recommend checking out the Ninja Foodi Power Nutri Duo on Amazon. For the best price, click the link in the description below /N. And as a special treat for my viewers, be sure to check out the exclusive deals and discounts available only on Amazon. You won't want to miss out.